Good morning, student. Let us see problems in exercise 6.1, which is completely based on the vector equation of line passing through a point and parallel to the given vectors, as well as vector equation of a line passing through 2 points, Cartesian equation of a line passing through a point and parallel to the vector, as well as Cartesian equation of line passing through 2 points, isn't it? The theoretical part we have seen already in previous video. Now we will solve problem based on this theoretical part, isn't it? First question of this exercise is find the vector equation of a line passing through the point having position vector minus 2i plus j plus k. Find the vector equation of a line passing through the point having position vector minus 2i plus j plus k and parallel to vector 4i minus j plus 2k. Let us solve this. Very simple. Given here a bar is the position vector of point that is given minus 2i plus j plus k, and b bar is equal to 4i minus j plus 2k. Once you able to identify which is a bar and which is b bar in the given question, then solution is very easy. Here a bar is the position vector of point and b bar is the parallel vector. Now vector equation of a line passing through the point and parallel to the line or vector is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. Therefore vector equation is r bar is equal to minus 2i plus j plus k plus lambda in bracket 4i minus j plus 2k. This is the required vector equation of a line. In this way we can solve this question. Very easy. Question number 2. Let us see second question. Find the vector equation of a line passing through the points having position vector 3i plus 4j minus 7k and 6i minus j plus k. Solution. Let capital A and B be 2 points on the line such that A bar and B bar. That is A bar and B bar be position vector of point A and B. Then vector equation of a line passing through the points A and B is given by R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar minus A bar. Therefore, R bar is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda 6i minus j plus k minus 3i minus 4j plus 7k. Here A bar is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 7k and B bar is equal to 6i minus j plus k. Now solving this, R bar is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda 6 minus 3 into I minus 1 plus 4 into j plus 1 plus 7 into k. Therefore, R bar is equal to 3i plus 4j minus 7k plus lambda in bracket 3i minus 5j plus 8k, which is the required vector equation of the line. In this way we can complete second question, isn't it? Let us see question number 3. Find the vector equation of the line passing through the point having position vector 5i plus 4j plus 3k and having direction ratios minus 3, 4, 2. Solution. Let A be a point whose position vector is 5i plus 4j plus 3k. Therefore, A bar is equal to 5i plus 4j plus 3k, isn't it? And its direction ratios are -3, 4, 2. Here, this is a vector. This is a point A, whose position vector is a bar, which is given as 5i plus 4j plus 3k, isn't it? And direction ratios, DRS, direction ratios of this vector are given -3, 4, 2. Let B bar be another vector which is parallel to B bar is parallel to A bar. Therefore, direction ratios of B bar, DRS of B bar also -3, 4, 2. Therefore, B bar is equal to -3i plus 4j plus 2k. Let B bar be a vector parallel to A bar. Therefore, DRS of B bar are -3, 4, 2, because these two vectors are parallel. Therefore, their direction ratios are same. Therefore, B bar is equal to -3i plus 4j plus 2k, isn't it? In this way, we get the value. We get A bar as well as B bar. Now, we know that vector equation of the line passing through the point and parallel to the vector is R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda B bar. Now put the value. Therefore, R bar is equal to A bar is 5i plus 4j plus 3k plus lambda. Here B bar is -3i plus 4j plus 2k, which is required vector equation of the line. In this way, we can complete question number 3, isn't it?